Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels rack up millions of views and make serious money? Well, today, I'm revealing a secret blueprint that will blow your mind. I used AI to replicate a 100 million view monetized YouTube channel. And guess what? You can do it too. Take a look at this channel right here, Arctic Sea Creatures. It was created on September 30th, 2024, and it's already sitting at over 269 million views. That's insane, right? Their most popular short video alone has over 30 million views, and almost every video is hitting millions. And here's the craziest part. They're using AI-generated images. Yes, AI-created content is monetized, and I'll prove it to you. A lot of people ask, are these AI-generated channels even monetized? Yes, they are. I checked it myself, and it's confirmed. This channel is making money and thriving. So what does that mean for you? It means you can do the exact same thing and build your own channel from scratch. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you step by step in this video. So what's the strategy? It's simple. These channels create AI-powered animal rescue videos. They mix shorts and long-form content to maximize views. And I decided to replicate this strategy. But with a twist, I let AI do all the heavy lifting. First, we need to generate our concept. So, I asked ChatGPT to help me create a video idea just like the ones on Arctic Sea Creatures. I typed, I want to create an AI-generated animal rescue short video. Give me a detailed image prompt for 7 scenes. ChatGPT then provided me with a detailed step-by-step breakdown of the rescue mission. Once we have our scene prompts, we need to generate high-quality images. You can use any AI image generator, but I recommend Pika or Leonardo AI for the best results. Here's what you do. Copy the detailed prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into your AI image generator. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio for shorts or 16:9 for long form. Generate the 7 scenes for your video. Boom! In a few minutes, we have our entire rescue mission visualized. Now here's the game changer. These aren't just static images. We bring them to life. For this, I use Hiyo AI to convert the images into animated clips. Steps: 1. Upload your AI-generated images. 2. Use the image-to-video feature. 3. Add specific prompts to animate the scene. 4. Generate smooth cinematic movements. And just like that, our rescue video starts looking professional. Once the animated clips are ready, it's time to edit. I use CapCut because it's free and super easy to use. If you prefer, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro for advanced editing. Editing steps. Arrange your clips in order. Rescue mission from start to finish. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Use sound effects from Pixabay, whale sounds, waves, birds, etc. Layer in some dramatic background music. The goal? Make your video feel immersive and cinematic. Once everything is in place, export your final video in high resolution and upload it to YouTube. But here's the key to success. Optimize your title and description with keywords. Use trending hashtags related to animal rescue. Post consistently to build momentum. In just a few minutes, we've created a high-quality, AI-generated rescue video, completely from scratch. And the best part? This strategy is repeatable. Now, imagine doing this every day. You could build a monetized channel just like Arctic Sea Creatures and start earning revenue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI content creation hacks, and drop a comment below. Let me know if you're going to try this yourself. Ready to take action? Check the description for all the resources I used in this video. See you in the next one. Let's build something amazing together. Yay, fire!